Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic for WordPress users: how to back up your WordPress website. Regular backups are essential to protect your content and ensure you can recover from any mishaps. So let's get started. First, let's talk about why backups are so important. Whether it's due to a security breach, a server crash, or accidental changes, having a backup ensures you can quickly restore your site to its previous state. Think of it as an insurance policy for your website. With that in mind, let's look at how you can create a backup for your WordPress site. If manual backups sound too time-consuming, don't worry. This tutorial aims to provide the simplest method to ensure work is done. Several WordPress plugins can automate the process. Here are a few popular options. Number 1, UpdraftPlus. This plugin allows you to schedule backups and store them on various cloud services like Google Drive and Dropbox. Number 2, BackWPup, another powerful plugin that offers automatic backups and supports multiple cloud storage options. Number 3, WordPress, a premium plugin by Automatic, offering real-time backups and security scans. To use any of these plugins, simply install and activate them from your WordPress dashboard, then configure your backup settings according to your preferences. For this tutorial, we'll use the UpdraftPlus plugin. To back up your WordPress website using the UpdraftPlus plugin, follow these steps. Step 1, install and activate UpdraftPlus. Go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, Add New, search for UpdraftPlus. Click Install Now, then Activate. Step 2, configure backup settings. Go to Settings, UpdraftPlus Backups. In the UpdraftPlus settings, you can configure automatic backup schedules and choose which components to include. For example, database, files, plugins, themes. Set up remote storage options if desired. For example, Dropbox, Google Drive, Amazon S3 for storing backups off-site. Step 3, create a manual backup. In the UpdraftPlus settings page, click the Backup Now button. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the backup. You can choose to include the database, files, or both. Click Backup now to start the backup process. Step 4, monitor backup progress. After starting the backup, you can monitor the progress in the existing backups tab. Once the backup is complete, you'll see the backup files listed there. Step 5, restore a backup. If needed, go to Settings, UpdraftPlus Backups. In the Existing Backups tab, locate the backup you want to restore. Click Restore next to the backup and follow the prompts to restore your website. UpdraftPlus also provides options for migrating your site, which can be handy if you're moving to a new host or domain. Backing up is only half the job. You need to ensure your backups are working properly. To test them, try restoring a backup on a staging site or local development environment. This way, you'll know your backup is reliable when you need it. And that's it. You're now equipped to back up your WordPress site, whether manually or through plugins. Remember, regular backups are key to keeping your site safe and secure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials. Have questions or need further assistance? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.